Let me show you step by step on how to change the screen refresh rate for a particular app on a Tecno Spark Slim. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to the settings of Tecno Spark Slim, then go to display and brightness. That is what you're going to select. Then you see this. You're going to go down to screen refresh rate. Okay, tap screen refresh rate. Right now it's set to high. You can see that. So to customize app refresh rate, make sure you're within the high aspect right there, and then tap the customize app refresh rate. So you can actually see that there are three apps which are actually supporting up to 144 Hz refresh rate. That's settings, messages, and phone. To change one of those app refresh rates, select the app. Okay, for example, settings. You can actually select the refresh rate that you want. I'm going to go with probably the 144 Hz. Then tap OK. Now, those are the three. The other ones actually don't support up to 144. So what you do is select the app that you want to change the screen refresh rate. I'm going to go with Chrome, tap Chrome, and then select the refresh rate that you want. This is up to 120 Hz. You tap right there and then tap OK. So you look for the app, tap it, then select the screen refresh rate that you want, and then you tap OK. Okay, you just do that for the individual app that you want to change the screen refresh rate. That's basically it. If you pick value in such a video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and join the family. See you next time.